Hello everyone. Once again I am here with a new video to continue with the same lesson which we discussed in the last video. So today's topic will also be the same, that is a growing middle class envisages an end to privileges, from history book class 9, that is chapter 1, the French Revolution. So far we have discussed how middle classes in the French society, after acquiring good wealth, after acquiring good education, they came forward with the new demands to end the privileges which only first and second state in the French society enjoyed. Every time the first and the second state, that is clergy and nobility, has enjoyed the special rights or the privileges in the French society, so now they were enlightened after they heard about the new ideas which were the ideas given by the philosophers in the French society. So basically today's topic will be the role of philosophers, how the philosophers gave various ideas regarding equality and freedom. So those philosophers were John Locke, Jean-Jacques Rousseau and Montesquieu. So today we are basically going to understand the ideas or the books in which they have given the ideas regarding this kind of rights or the equality and freedom. So the first philosopher which we are going to talk is John Locke. John Locke has written one book, that is Two Treatises of Government. In his book, he has talked about the absolute right of the monarch. As you can see, the absolute right means the king in the society always enjoyed the special right or the absolute right. Whatever decision king takes or whatever decision he wants to put in the society will be the final. So this kind of right, whichever the king enjoyed in the society, was challenged by the ideas that came forward in the books like the Two Treatises of Government by John Locke. So the second philosopher who gave the new idea in the third state or in the French society is Jean-Jacques Rousseau. So Jean-Jacques Rousseau in his book Social Contract has given the new idea of equal voting rights and democratic government. So these kind of new ideas were taken, or this kind of new ideas were the inspiration to the middle classes or third state people in the French society. So the third philosopher who gave the new ideas in the French society is Montesquieu. Montesquieu in his book The Spirit of Law has proposed the division of power of the government into three, that is legislature, executive and judiciary. So he has given this kind of ideas that the power of the government should be divided into three organs, that is legislature, executive and judiciary. So these ideas were implemented by the USA after they got independence from Britain. Not only USA, our country India or different other democratic countries in the world has taken or implemented this kind of division of power or the organs of the government into three, that is legislature, executive and judiciary. So lastly, today whatever we discussed in this class is about the role of philosophers in the French society, how they have given the new ideas in the French society and how the middle classes in the French society has taken this kind of new ideas. So lastly, whatever the ideas of the philosophers they have given in the different books were now openly discussed in the places in the French society. This kind of ideas were discussed in the coffee shops and in the saloons, and not only they were discussed, but this kind of ideas were spread over among the people or spread among the people through books and newspapers, and the person who could not read and write in the society were given this kind of idea by reading aloud. So not only that, at last the king, that is the Louis XVI, planned to impose the tax once again in the society, so that to meet the demand of the government or the society. So now what will be the reaction? since you all know only third state, that is the people in the third state, were charged with the taxes. Other two classes in the society, that is clergy and nobility, were always exempted from giving this kind of taxes. So now the once again king has planned to impose taxes on the third state. So after all, now the third state people, as I have already discussed, because of different ideas, new ideas that were given by the philosophers, now the third state people or the middle classes people were enlightened with new ideas, different kind of new equal rights or democratic government. So how they will react after they hear this kind of imposition of tax by the king, that is Louis XVI. So that which we will be going to discuss on the next video or in the next lesson. So till then, try to find out what I tried to make you clear in this particular video. So till then, please take care and stay safe. Thank you so much.